This is our CO2 race car project by Jayden and Jeremy.
We are making a carbon fiber body for a chassis we already made. This is a CO2 driven race car, and after we build the mock-up and the carbon fiber mold, we're going to race them.
What is a composite material and what are their uses? A composite material is the combining of two or more materials so they improve one another, but keep distinct and separate identities in the final product. Using composite materials over conventional materials provides a huge weight saving. What is carbon fiber and why is it used, and what makes it strong? Carbon fiber is a material consisting of thin, strong crystalline fragments of carbon used as a strengthening material, especially in resin and especially in resin. The carbon atoms are bonded together in microscopic crystals that are more or less aligned parallel to the long axis of the fiber, causing the carbon fiber to be strong. Explain the process of laying up carbon fiber. Mix 2 parts of resin with 1 part of hardening agent. Put wax on the object you are using or mold. Put carbon fiber on the object/mold. Put mix of the carbon fiber. Put the mix on the carbon fiber. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times.
The mathematics. We did a bunch of different mathematics during this thing. One of the things we needed to find was the composite weight, the fiber weight ratio, the resin weight ratio, the resin volume, and the fiber volume. We did the following as this and had our answers. The composite weight was 77 grams. The fiber weight ratio was 62.34. The resin weight ratio was 37.66%. The resin volume was 36.25%. The fiber volume was 40.
The engineering process behind this was we had to make obviously a decision matrix, and we used for our objectives we used aerodynamics, carbon fiber fitting, which was meant to like if it fit really good on the chassis or not. Well, if the carbon fiber fitted well, if it would be easier to fit on the chassis. And then the body fit, which was meant for the carbon fiber and the chassis as well. So, and then the weight was like how important it was to us. So aerodynamics was important, and then carbon fiber was important. Mainly the body fit was important because that kind of affected everything. So for Jeremy's, his aerodynamics was a 5. His carbon fiber fitting was 4, and his body fit was a 3 because he had some mistakes in his. Mine was a 3 for aerodynamics, a carbon fiber fitting of 5, and a body fit of 4 because mine fitted, but it was it was just too small. We ended up tying in the end, but we still ended up using Jeremy's, even though he had his body fit was wrong. It was still like the best idea, so we went with his.
Like Jayden said, we went with my idea, and this was the final. This is the final product. After I tried mine, I fixed what it was done. This is a better fitting. There's a perfect volume on the entire thing. It's aerodynamic and everything fits well, but the only problem is the chassis part is just a little bit overhang, and the wheels aren't that good, but everything else is great. After this, I think we'd at least get maybe 3rd place.